Hi everyone. In today's video, we shall be talking about how to solve equations Olamatically as regards what we learned over the last day, which was yesterday. Yesterday being 3rd of September, year 2024, in the year of our Lord Jesus Christ. So in this video, we are going to be talking you through the process of solving a system of equations with 3 variables Olamatically. Now, let's take a quick look at this problem together. Now, so fundamentally, we shall be looking at 2 parameters. And what are the parameters? We have the determinant and we have also the adjoint. Now, yesterday we learned on how to solve adjoints of matrix Olamatically. So in this video, I will quickly put these equations, this set of equations in a canonical form of matrix. And then to start with, we look at the coefficients of x. Now running through the coefficients of x, we have 2 followed by 5 followed by 1. And therefore y, we have 3 followed by 1, then minus 2. We have minus 1, we have 2, and we have 4 multiplied by x, y, z, rounding up to 9, 12, 3. And then from here, we critically look for our what? Determinants. So determinants here shall be done using Saros method. So we are using Saros method. Minus 1, 2, 4. So we simply iterate column 1 here. Look at it here. Have a look at it. And then we iterate column 2. We have 3, 1, minus 2. And of course, we begin to generate our downward deliveries and upward deliveries. Now, to start with the upward deliveries, we have to multiply 2 by 1 and 1 by 4. And of course, 2 times 1 times 4 should be given 8. Plus, the next line of action is for us to times 2, 3 by 2, 2 by 1. So 3 times 2 times 1 should be given 6. Plus, the next one is to go minus 1 to 5 to minus 2. So minus 1 times 5 minus 2 is plus 10. And so obviously speaking, here should be generating 24. And then the upward delivery will be starting from here to here and then to here. So 1 times 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, plus the next line of action is for us to do minus 2 by 2 and also by 2. So minus 2 times 2 is minus 4 times 2. We have minus 8, plus then the next action is for us to do 4 by 5 times 3. So 4 times 5, 20 times 3, we have 60. This should be rounding up to, okay, minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9 plus 60. We have 51. So fundamentally speaking, we can say that our determinant is d minus u. And our d here is just 24 minus 51. And this should be given minus 27. Now, people of God, the next thing for us to do now is to generate our adjoint. So the very one we learned yesterday shall be put into full-scale consideration here. So, Olamatically, our adjoint shall be for us to copy the entries you are seeing over there, here. So, we have 2, 5, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, minus row 1 around here. So, we have 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, and then the iteration of row 2 has now come. So, we have 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. And as usual, we'll be deleting this one out and also deleting out this row. And of course, we now have our line of action taking its place. It comes from this place. Okay, so basically, our adjoint shall be rounding up to 4 multiplied by 1, which is 4, minus the product of here. We all know the procedure. Now, so 4 minus 4 should be given 8. And then the next one is to do minus 1 times minus 2, which is 2. 2 minus 12. We have minus 10. And then the next line to consider here is 3 times 2, which is 6. Then 6 minus 1, we have 7. And then the next line of action is here. So we have 2 we have 2 minus 20, which is minus 18. And we have 8 minus 1, we have 9. We have minus 5 minus 4, we have minus 9. And then this line shall be for us to do 5 by minus 2, which is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 1, we have minus 11. And this is 3 minus 4. We have 7. This place is 1 times 2. We have 2 minus 15. 2 minus 15 is minus 13. And people of God, here we go. Our adjoint has come through. So xyz is 1 over our determinant, which is minus 27, into our adjoint minus 10, 7, minus 18, 9, minus 9, minus 11, 7, minus 13, and we consider these entries multiplied by our constant entries here. We have 9, 12, 3. 9, 12, 3 will be here. 9, 12, 3. And obviously speaking, we have 1 over minus 27 to now give. Now, you do your row column operations very quickly. Row column operation, row column operations. We have 8 into 9 to give 72. We have minus 10 into 12. We have minus 120 plus 7 times 3. We have 21. Then minus 8 times 9 should be given minus 172. Minus 162, sorry. So we have minus, because 18 into 9, we have 9 times this should be 7, so minus 162 is correct. Then the next one is 9 times 12, you have 108. Now minus 9 times 3, we have minus 27. Then the next one is minus 11 times 9, we have minus 99. 7 times 12 is 84. People of God, I hope we are following. God bless you. So minus 13 times 3, we have minus 39. And then, fundamentally speaking, so minus 13 times 3, we have minus 39. And then, fundamentally speaking, we can say that our x is 72 minus 120 plus 21 all over 27. And this should be rounding up to our answer. So now, 72 minus 28 minus 120 should be minus 48. Minus 48 plus 21 should be given minus 27 all over minus. So this we cancel out to give 1. And of course, people of God, we have our y as minus 162 plus 108 minus 27, all divided by minus 27 to give. Minus 162 plus 108 should be given 54. And then from here, minus 54 to say, and then minus 54 minus 27, minus 54 minus 27, all over minus 27. By the time you add and divide by minus 7, of course, if you don't know, your minus will cancel out here. So 54 divided by this, we give 2. Minus will also affect this one, which is plus. 27 divided by 27, 1. And 2 plus 1, we give 3. So obviously speaking, minus 54 minus 27 divided by minus 27 should be given 3. And then, people of God, we are almost done. So we have minus 99 plus 84 minus 39 all over minus 27 will be given the value of z. No, minus 99 plus 84 should be given minus 15. And minus 15 minus 39 should be given minus 54, people of God. So we have minus 27. This we cancel out to give 2. Here we go, people of God. Be blessed of the Lord. Please kindly subscribe to all of our YouTube channel and be blessed of the Lord. Thank you very much for paying full attention. Be blessed.